Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I'm gonna unbox this Revvl 2 Plus from T-Mobile. But before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, don't adjust your screen. Yes, that is the Revvl 2 Plus from T-Mobile. Right now you can get it for $252, about $10.50 a month. Or if you had a line, they will give you $168 of bill credit, so it comes out to about $84. You're gonna say, Joseph, why another budget phone? Why not? I wanna bring it to the channel. Let's review it. Let's see how it does compared to my flagship phones. Like I said, $252, so it's budget slash mid-range. I'm gonna put it against my Nokia 7.1. Let's test out the cameras, the battery life. We're gonna go into the specs really quick too, but let's get this unboxing going. Look, nice little branding from T-Mobile. Same thing on this side. You have some specs that we're gonna get into in a little bit, but I wanna see what you get in the box. The safety, the unboxing knife here. Oh, the phone is right on top. Look at that. Bam, T-Mobile. Don't forget to remove the back cover. I'm gonna put that on the side. So in here, looks like you get some books. Welcomes, the starter guide. Put that back in there. Let's see what else you get in this box here. I'm gonna tear the whole box apart just to get to. So you have your charging brick, and then also, I don't know, this is USB Type-C. Let's see. Yes, it is USB Type-C and your charging brick. I know it's fast charging. Does have a 4,000 milliamp hour battery. No headphones. You do have a SIM injecting tool. I pretty much destroyed the box. Let's put that on the side. Alright, bam. Here's the phone itself. Let's try to look. It has a little magenta power button there. A lot of phones starting off. And I'm gonna give you a hardware tour once I can get this plastic off. So it has a little T-Mobile branding. The Revvl sticker there too. Bam. There's the dual cameras in the back. So you have your power button is ridged. Volume rockers. At the top, you can see it has a headphone jack. I think that's the IR blaster, believe it or not. Another microphone. Then you have a speaker and then a mic. The USB Type-C charging port. On this side, you have your SIM card slot. Then you have the cameras in the front. Bam. Look at that. So let's go over the specs really quick too. Here's some on the back. So see if I can get this to focus. Alright, so you have a 6-inch full HD display. The rear, bam, the rear has a dual 12 megapixel and a 2 megapixel camera. The front is an 8 megapixel camera, which is pretty good. Bam, we're going to test that out. Yes, it does have a 4,000 milliamp hour battery. It's running Android 8.1 straight out the box. Hopefully T-Mobile will update it to Android Pie soon. We will see. We'll wait on that. It has a MediaTek processor, 6739. I don't know if that's going to be good or not. We're definitely going to try it out. It comes with 32 gigs of storage, 3 gigs of RAM, and like I said, the 4,000 milliamp hour battery. I don't know why it doesn't have 4 gigs of RAM, but, you know, look at the design. The design looks pretty sexy. Bam, but what y'all think about the phone? All right, let's do some comparisons really quick. I have my LG G7 here. You can tell that this phone is a lot taller. It's even wider. Let's see about thickness. Bam, you can see it there too. It's thicker than the G7. So I have my Nokia 7.1. This is the phone I'm going to put it against the most. You can tell it's definitely bigger than that. And water, look, it's definitely water. Look at the sides, the bottom too. Bam. Alright everyone, so this was just a quick unboxing. Stay tuned to the channel. I'm gonna come back and give you my first impressions and a first initial setup video next. Also, I'm gonna do some tests on here. I'm gonna do my video test, speaker test. You know how we do it. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do so for more coverage on the T-Mobile Revvl 2 Plus. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. You have a great day now.